Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel a twinge in your knee when you climb stairs? Or maybe your shoulders feel stiff and achy after a long day at your desk? You're not alone. So many of us accept joint pain as just a normal part of getting older, but what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if you could move with freedom, flexibility, and most importantly, without pain? Today we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to strengthening your joints. We're going to unlock the secrets to pain-free movement so you can get back to doing all the things you love. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to build stronger, healthier, and happier joints for life. First, let's understand what's really going on inside our bodies. Think of your joints as the body's hinges. They connect your bones and allow you to bend, twist, and move. Each joint is cushioned by cartilage, a smooth, rubbery tissue that prevents bones from grinding against each other. Around the joint you have muscles, tendons, and ligaments that provide stability and support. When we talk about strengthening your joints, we're really talking about strengthening this entire support system. Weak muscles, inflexible ligaments, and worn-down cartilage are often the true culprits behind joint pain. The good news is that we have a tremendous amount of control over the health of this system. It's not about stopping movement, it's about embracing the right kind of movement. This brings us to the most crucial principle for joint health: regular, low-impact exercise. Now, exercise can sound intimidating, especially if you're already in pain. You might think, won't moving make it worse? The answer is a resounding no, as long as you choose your activities wisely. High-impact exercises like running on hard pavement or intense jumping can put a lot of stress on your joints. Low-impact activities, on the other hand, build strength and increase blood flow to the joint area without the jarring force. This nourishes the cartilage and strengthens the surrounding muscles, creating a natural protective brace for your joints. It's like building a fortress around a precious treasure. So what are some of the best low-impact exercises? Let's start with one of my personal favorites, swimming or water aerobics. The buoyancy of the water supports your body weight, taking virtually all the pressure off your joints. This allows you to move through a full range of motion, building strength and flexibility in a gentle, supportive environment. It's an incredible full-body workout that's perfect for anyone, especially those dealing with significant joint discomfort or arthritis. You get all the cardiovascular and muscle-toning benefits without any of the painful impact. Even just walking back and forth in the shallow end of a pool can make a huge difference. Another fantastic option is cycling. Whether you're on a stationary bike at the gym or cycling outdoors on a smooth path, it's a wonderful way to strengthen the muscles in your legs, particularly your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Strong leg muscles are essential for supporting your knees and hips, which are two of the largest weight-bearing joints in your body. When your muscles are strong, they absorb much of the shock that would otherwise go straight to the joint. Just make sure your bike is set up correctly. Your seat should be at a height where your knee is only slightly bent at the bottom of the pedal stroke to avoid putting unnecessary strain on the kneecap. Now let's talk about an activity that combines strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Yoga. Yoga is a powerhouse for joint health. It involves moving your body through various poses, or asanas, that gently stretch and strengthen the muscles and ligaments surrounding your joints. Unlike some forms of exercise that can shorten and tighten muscles, yoga focuses on creating length and space. This improves your overall flexibility and range of motion, which is key to preventing stiffness and injury. For example, poses like downward facing dog help to open up the shoulders and hamstrings, while poses like warrior two build incredible strength in the hips and legs. What's really special about yoga is how it strengthens the smaller, stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in traditional workouts. These are the unsung heroes that keep your joints properly aligned and functioning smoothly. When these little muscles are strong, they provide a subtle but constant support system, reducing the wear and tear on your major joints throughout the day. Furthermore, the focus on breathing and body awareness in yoga helps you become more in tune with your body's signals. You learn to distinguish between a healthy stretch and a painful strain, which is an invaluable skill for preventing injury both on and off the mat. If you're new to yoga, look for a beginner, gentle, or restorative class to start. Beyond specific exercises, A simple walk is one of the most accessible and effective things you can do for your joints. It's low impact, free, and can be done almost anywhere. Walking helps to lubricate the joints, particularly in the hips and knees, and it increases blood flow, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients to the cartilage. The key is to start slow and gradually increase your duration and pace. And please, invest in a good pair of supportive shoes. Proper footwear acts as a shock absorber, protecting your feet, ankles, knees, and hips from the repetitive impact of each step. It's a small investment that pays huge dividends for your joint health. Of course, exercise is only one piece of the puzzle. What you eat plays a massive role in managing inflammation, which is a major contributor to joint pain. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help soothe your joints from the inside out. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, especially berries, leafy greens like spinach and kale, and broccoli. These are packed with antioxidants that fight cellular damage. Healthy fats are also your friend. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, mackerel, walnuts, and chia seeds, are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Try to incorporate these into your meals a few times a week. On the flip side, try to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates, as these can promote inflammation in the body. Another critical component is maintaining a healthy weight. This can be a sensitive topic, but it's purely a matter of physics. Your joints, especially your knees, hips, and back, have to support your body weight with every step you take. In fact, the force on your knees is several times your body weight when you walk, run, or climb stairs. This means that even losing a small amount of excess weight can dramatically reduce the pressure on your joints, leading to a significant decrease in pain and a lower risk of future damage. The combination of a healthy diet and regular low-impact exercise is the most effective and sustainable way to achieve and maintain a healthy weight for your joints. Finally, don't underestimate the power of rest and recovery. Your body repairs and rebuilds itself while you sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can increase inflammatory markers in the body and make you more sensitive to pain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Also, listen to your body. It's important to be consistent with exercise, but it's equally important to take rest days. If a particular joint is feeling sore or inflamed, give it a break. Maybe swap your walk for some gentle stretching or a swim. Pushing through sharp pain is counterproductive and can lead to injury. Remember, the goal is long-term health, not short-term gains. So let's recap the plan for pain-free movement. Embrace regular low-impact exercise like swimming, cycling, walking, and especially yoga to build a strong support system for your joints. Fuel your body with an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3s. Work towards maintaining a healthy weight to reduce the daily load on your joints. And finally, prioritize quality sleep and listen to your body's need for rest. Building stronger joints is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and consistent and celebrate the small victories along the way, like walking up the stairs without that familiar ache or being able to play with your kids or grandkids on the floor. You have the power to take control of your joint health and live a more active, vibrant, and pain-free life. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to start making positive changes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on living your healthiest life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite low-impact activity? Let's share some ideas. Until next time, take care and keep moving.